Welcome back, everyone. This week we're going to do planks, and more planks. So it's all versions of the planks and it's going to get every part of the abs and core working. We're going to do 40 seconds and then 10 seconds rest. And once again, you'll need no equipment. Let's get started. First one we're going to do is the dolphin plank. So you're going to start on your forearms and then you're going to walk your feet in, only as far as you can with keeping your forearms down. So that's 40 seconds of this one. All right, so take it in and then take it out to that plank. And then push into your forearms. Flip the tailbone up to the ceiling. The heels don't have to get down. You can bend the knees as much as you need. Walking it in. And out. Okay, perfect. 10 seconds to rest. You want to shake out those arms. We're going to come back into the forearm plank and do a pendulum move. So you're going to walk your feet right, a couple steps, and then left. Here. 2, and then back. And over to the other side. Again, push into your forearms. Draw the shoulders away from the ears. Working into the obliques. You can always drop onto your knees through center for a break. There. Few more. Okay, perfect. So once again, shake it out. We're going to come into a side plank. So you can either just hold regular side plank, knees or toes, or you're going to add a crunch to it. So from here or here, we're going to crunch. So remember, this variation on the knees, totally fine. Use that exhale. Elbow to knee. Press into the forearm. Great. Keep it going. Try to lift the rib cage up a little higher. A few more seconds. Almost. Great. Okay, so we're going to flip it around. Other side. So remember, it's about the abs. So if you're feeling too much in your shoulder and you're on your toes, come down to the knees because you're going to get more ab work, better form without straining your shoulder. Good. Keeping it going. Planks, planks, planks. This is all there is in this one. Almost. Whew. Okay, so now we're going to come into a reverse plank. So easier version is just take the heels closer, hold here, or you're going to walk the hands or feet out. Hold here. We're just holding. We're getting our butt working because we're pressing the hips up. We're drawing the belly in. Push the floor away from you. Get the upper back working. Keep it going. Reach the heels away from you. Squeeze. Keep it going. Focus. Okay, great. Drop it down. And we're going to flip to side plank once again. with a hip opener. So from your knees, from your toes, we're gonna take the leg, open it up here. Keep the top hip forward, stacked on top of the lower hip. Exhale, squeeze it, open. Work the butt. Good. Open up through the chest, draw the shoulders back. Reach that top hip away from you as well. Lengthen here. Push into the forearm for stability. Keep it going. Fantastic. Gotta do the other side. Okay, so plant the forearm, press in the hand to take weight off the elbow, up here, or extended, open, open. Good. Keep that hip stable. Don't let it fall back or forward. Keep it here. Tuck the chin in slightly. You're doing great. Keep it up. You can do it. 14 seconds. Almost. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna come back to a front plank and we're gonna extend one of our arms out. So you can do this from your knees or toes. We're coming here like that. And then knees or toes, like so. So level off your shoulders and hips and hold it. Push into the floor. Tuck the chin in. Draw the shoulders back. Soften your knees if you're on the toes. This one's hard. They're all hard. But we're gonna do it just a few more. Okay, perfect. So we'll do the same thing, other arm, knee plant, plank or toe plank with the arm out on a 45. Here, get ready. Knees or toes. There you go. Deep, full breaths. So we're getting some shoulder work, more shoulder work here too. Hang in there. Woo! Okay, let's do another plank, reverse plank or bridge. Heels can be in or out. Here we go. Push it up. Maybe extend it out. Squeeze the behind, draw the belly in. Working stability in your shoulders. Spread the fingers to strengthen your wrist as well. Push all 5 pads or knuckle pads into the floor. All right, so next one is up, up, down, down plank. Exactly like it sounds. Knees or toes, you're gonna take it up with the hands and down, like so. And then try to lead with a different arm each time. And you can totally do this. Still hard. Up to you. Getting there, close. Woo. Okay, we have one more. I'm calling them plank rolls. So you're gonna come front plank, side plank into a V, and then reverse it. Here, front, side, V, and then come back through side, front, other side, V. So side, front, side. You can always have the knees down, V, and again, here, side. Front, side. We get a little bit, 10 more seconds in. One more each side. Okay, fantastic. I hope your abs feel pretty tired. Mine are. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next week.